Hi there, students. To scare up, to scare something up, to find something or to get hold of something, but relying on chance to get that thing, and particularly for something that's not easy to find. So, for example, there were a lot more people at the lecture than I thought would come, and I had to scare up some extra chairs to go and look for them and hope I could find some more. I'll go into the kitchen and see if I can scare up a meal for us. We'll see what there is. I will see what there is, and I will make it for you. So to find or to get something, despite difficulties or limited supplies, and without a fixed plan, trusting to luck to get it. So I can probably scare up a something from the leftovers from last night's meal, but there's not very much food in the house. I can't find John anywhere. Do you think you could scare him up? Do you think you could go and find him? Okay, so to scare up, to get something, to produce someone or something after a long search, which was quite difficult, to scrape together. So I will see if I can scare up some more donations for this project, but I've already asked everyone I know. Okay, so to produce after considerable effort, using ingenuity. In the meeting where there were so many people, I scared up a few folding chairs. I scraped together a few more. Let's see, the literal meaning of this is when you are hunting. So the dog went into the bushes and scared up a couple of pheasants. They started to fly up into the air, yeah, and then I could shoot them. And that's the idea of scare up. So we are using this metaphorically to find something as if you were flushing out wild animals so that you could actually hunt them. So to scare someone up or to scare something up. Do you think you could scare up a few more helpers because we're really short-handed? Yeah, could you go out and see if you can find them? You probably don't know where, but you could try. You're trusting to luck, and if you're lucky, they will appear for you, although it might be quite difficult. Okay, and this is the idea of to scare something up. Okay, this is a separable phrasal verb. So I scared some food up. I scared it up. Separable, can go between the scare and the up. And then to scare is a regular verb. So I scared up some food. I've scared up some more helpers for us. And then as to formality, I think this is fairly informal. I think I would give it a 4 in formality, maybe even a 3.5. Use it in an informal conversation. I wouldn't use it in a semi-formal or formal writing, but that's typical of phrasal verbs. There are many of them that you can't use even semi-formally. Okay, so to scare something up, to find it even though it's difficult to find and you don't know where you're going to find it, and you might have to use a lot of effort or ingenuity to find it. So enough, to scare up. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To scare up, to scare something up.